Now, the next question is asanas as a preventive measure enumerate or briefly describe. How asana prevents us? There are 5 or 6 points. The first point is that asanas protects us from cardiovascular diseases. There are increased level of cholesterol, uh, hypertension, or there are so many diseases which are related to heart. Regular practice of asana or performing asanas in daily basis improves the efficiency of heart, and hence we can get rid of, escape these deadly diseases by performing asanas for 15 to 20 minutes, half an hour in every morning. So asanas protects us from uh, cardiovascular diseases. Number two, asana improves our digestive system. Asanas, it's a regular practice of asanas like Vajrasana, and there are so many asanas which help us in producing digestive juice more in quantity, and hence we can digest our food easily. So asanas improves our digestive system, and asanas helps us to overcome digestive disorders, etc. The diseases which are related to digestive system. Clear? Number three, respiratory. Regular respiratory system. Asanas prevents us from respiratory diseases like asthma. Asana and pranayama. Asana, pranayama, there are so many asanas which improves the efficiency of our lungs, and it makes our respiration, inhalation and exhalation rhythmic. Asanas improves our vital capacity, inspiratory reserve volume, expiratory reserve volume. I will be coming in all these terms in physiology and sports. Total lung capacity, residual volume. So all these things are increased by regular practice of asanas, and above all, asana saves us, prevents us, protects us from the diseases, respiratory diseases like asthma, etc. Next, number four, asana prevents us from postural deformities. If we practice asanas like Bhujangasana, Dhanurasana, Bakrasana, Talasana, then Chakrasana, uh, all these asanas protects us from kyphosis, lordosis, scoliosis, bow leg, flat feet, round shoulders, all these types of very postural defects which are very common among the school going children. Clear? Next, asana relieves us from psychological disorders like stress, tension. Sometimes due to hectic schedule we become overburdened with work. So sometimes we get stressed, tensed, depressed. Sometimes we get frustrated. So asanas, especially the meditative asanas, they help us in decreasing, in relieving us from stress, tension, irritation, depression, frustration, all these psychological disorders. So from all these upsets, we can relieve ourselves. Asana prevents us from being upset. And next, asanas helps us in curing sports injuries. Asana, some very old injuries. Sometimes we get injured while playing the major games like volleyball, football, cricket, rugby, etc. And uh, asanas are very much helpful in curing the diseases. Thank you very much.